Yeah. Elijah of don't worry, I'm an idea.
Okay, Busolu. I could care my sorrow, Peter. I
It
don't
was
say you go there.
dog me.
You know how I go now.
Eh?
I'm a mega one. You know how I hold on. Oh, Diabani Erike.
I'm not without a horror.
Oh, Diabani Erike.
God,
So
no
I'm
peace
a
for the
mega
weekend.
one.
God, no peace for the weekend.
No peace for the weekend now. Ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu na award this every day.
Really?
But ha ya awagide ike aja award agwụ ha hụ ha. Hey, now do the akụkọ my zero Peter. Oh, the last one we can use this weekend.
Every video I'm not watching now.
Okay.
Video this guy, that man that has na who is Zion? Come on, they query.
Go here, be
Okay, if we video the ask na the guy, the who ya roll or the bazam lesson, I say daddy, they walk.
Okay, that guy is not a robber.
Yes, the boy is serious for that tomato or belt nyeriaka. He didn't post video mpiawazo. But you could enter. I swear to God, enough is enough. You can't continue to be stupid all the time.
That is the thing.
Enough is enough. You can't continue to be stupid all the time.
Of course.
I don't know, always just not be like I'm with the guy. I'm always got the guy or you contact the guy or something. Or what I'm the guy. Enough is enough.
But if the man, see, but the guy, I know from the horses.
I would have made all drop on the wall now because I actually talking about somebody directs him to take here.
Okay.
So on the old business, this is not causing the whole thing, which is the video causing that we hate you man for.
Okay.
Yeah, the video the guy makes now the more clearer and the more comprehending. Yeah, they go. I'm not going to be able to carry
ministry they play the show one ihe niile mpa nnukwu gwa ahụ ihe nna afụ n'obodo a. The thing is that I don't have strength ka a explain ụmụ ekperima juru everywhere. Ndị na-amaghị ha na-akọ.
Unless there is no God,
what are you telling me? One
Ebukobi is a servant of God, and I have also for so put in the hand.
Grace everywhere. Grace everywhere.
Okay, tomato. Okay, one girl corona maka tomato ya. Pretty problem. Just of one broke maka tomato ahụ. Compare big problem. Mmadụ ole kọgoro zolobito ọnụ. Zolobito kwụsara akwụsị ịga.
Ọ dị possible na.
Mmadụ ole
ha mere ihe niile ha mee bupute nke ebupute ka akụkọ. Number one.
Okay, unless you come and identify. And that even mean here. In fact, you could have been a kid that guy because I'm going to pick you for all the contact.
So bad.
Because we don't drop on the wall. I say inbox. If you talk affair in the morning, we don't drop on the wall. The more clearer. Because that was what I was waiting for. We video about to say the lake and get watch here or the more clear. The guy took time and explained everything here to Anya. At least that one. That one is more clearer now. Enough is enough. Like enough is enough.
So contact the guy.
Inbox. I just not watching the video that for they've been online. Enough is enough. How do you go call it? You have to go. But I'm happy that the guy got as far as he want a video with the that yeah. I will go see the video normally is boom man. Enough is enough. How do you go call it? You know, because the body I got to but then yeah, it go have calling me here,
The thing is that now most of them will not like to respect themselves. Man, don't have crazy to marry as well.
Onye ọla nwere ihe nwere je wepụta ya n'ose etukwala ọgụ. Onye nwere ihe opi na o nwere ya je wepụta ya.
Onwe ihe ọzọ na arọ blogger ka nwụ na my own we na-post.
Onye dewa ahụ na nwere ihe o nwere ya je wepụta ọ dị kọjiri set again.
Onye ọ na-achọ ịpịawa azụ onwe ihe ọzọ.
Eso ọkwa eme fasti na akwa mbọ na again. Uche adịkwa ya. Ihe na-eje na ekpe ekpere ma alawa. Ihe abara Chineke.
Ezigbo onye obi akpọ. Onye ọda n'ihe were mma bere ntị ya.
Apụ Chinanse bụ.
Like my brother. Ọ bụrụ ụmụ ekperi. The thing is that, like I said, enweghị m strength ka abịakwa na convince mmadụ about mmiri. Nwanne Grace na-esi. Grace na-ekpo. What are you telling me?
Evidence ole ka.
Evidence choke. Okay, happy knock your eyes ka that guy you na asị ọ na-arụ ọrụ. He dey work.
Mgbe video the boy man now the video and they very very tight. And it looks like the guy is very angry because some of the people they put that video not trying to take legal action.
Of course.
I don't like onye ọla dey want action, man dey make with a friend. So other the guy with action, yeah. Yeah, become action nke m titugo ya ka ọ gbalite ka volume ya dị high. After the guy with action. Enough is enough. Them
the money post to that video. In my social media, especially Facebook, in Cuba. I'm asking more your former guy, Governor Eziokwù post to that video or something. I'm asking maybe full page.
More posted
Gonya pastor and another ministry or something like. Cause no way tag him there. I can't remember, you know. But the thing is that. Can made these people not move on? Like I'm not getting all these things. So
and what they did was totally against the new law National Assembly just passed the last 2 weeks. Totally, I don't see the video. Okay, somebody say I don't see the video. Okay, the guy did a video now.
Traffic like that. Go on.
Did a comprehensive video. That video in the wall like that. Very
the video. Tag the video this week. I maybe do blogging. I refresh going back to him.
Onye nwere goji ya wepụtara ọ ga-erijikwa ego. News ya dị. Anakwa m ebu ọnụ maka isi echelu na-eme fasting sokwa m eme.
Onye obi akpọ.
Ana m eri nri.
Onye obi akpọ na mụ a na-emekwa ịma na ahụ m Elijah Canada. I stopped to obey Piawa Madas will be doing. Fasting. Couple countless time, Metaquan. You know,
them party go,
one day.
Them party he go there. Oh yeah, them party get belate go this time around. Aleka.
Mwaku go to Ginazo.
Emana before Zolobita didn't take my time, so Zolobita move one issue where for now.
Sure.
I'm gonna face one or two. I'm gonna face one or two. My man. Here in Canada.
Now Grace in everywhere. Grace in AC. Oh, Emma on Grace in April.
All that mother let time stuff for the match they see quiet there.
Oh yeah,
that is Oyara Fozo.
Chine Kepokwa Onya Hoku.
All of the time for the match over.
I used to tell some people.
Later, let's go to the park in 25 more there, 24 more.
You reach a Hanchamugu at the same time. Like, it's not making any sense to me. Nah. My friends here, sometimes they used to tell me, nah, guy, how you they do this thing? I want to go do here since I go do na top go do.
Okay.
Una makwa altar. We move. Okay, ema the tempo na. Man from the altar can see ebum olive oil, ebum seraphic oil nisi. Governor get pot. You know, so na more times we pour that night in Batawarubuda. Una ma ya gwarom like one ada eme home as eba. Grace in everywhere. If it ain't no magic, can I don't have any time to explain to any bastard, you know. My own be say, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Just tag him na the video. Watch the video.
Or they can somebody's contact. Baby,
Tag him na the video.
Okay, one.
Good.